We start tonight at 5 o'clock with these emotional moments from the courtroom earlier today. It all occurred as an Indianapolis mother lost custody of her daughter, at least temporarily.
What's going on? It's your boy Veli the Great, back at it again with another video. And today we're going to go ahead and react to a young mother that was being very, very irresponsible. And her being irresponsible with a certain object, it turned the situation into something that it shouldn't have been. It turned it into something that's going to be a long-lasting memory. But either way, we're going to go ahead and deep dive into this video, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion.
The decision follows the death of her toddler, who accidentally shot and killed himself using the mom's gun.
Rich Nye had his camera in the courtroom when the judge issued the no contact order, adding to this mother's grief.
Listen to me.
Kiera Bickett.
Listen to me.
A no contact order.
It's temporary. The child is listed as a witness.
Judge Angela Davis told Bickett for now she can have no unsupervised visits with her 9-year-old daughter. Court records say the girl was in the front seat of a car with Bickett and 2-year-old Javarius Bickett when the boy found a gun in his mother's unzipped purse and shot and killed himself.
Here's my thoughts on this, man. You have a firearm in the car, knowing that, I'm guessing she went and got her permit. She got her license. So in class, I'm pretty sure they teach you these things, that when you're in that car, that gun should be in the glove compartment. What is it doing in your purse where it is reachable by your children? Like, why wasn't she thinking about putting that gun in the glove compartment, knowing that she has kids in there? It doesn't make any sense. It's her own fault. When it comes to situations like this, it's her fault. Like when you're carrying something like that, you can't be saying, "Oh, I forgot it was a." No. To carry something like that it's a great responsibility. You have to be responsible. You have to be aware. Her not being aware costs her child's life. Like, come on, people. This stuff has happened too many times for people to continue to make these same mistakes. It doesn't make any sense, man.
The shooting happened June 19th while they were driving through a CVS parking lot on the north side of Indy. Bickett is charged with neglect of a dependent resulting in death. The prosecution says Bickett's daughter will be called as a witness in the case. The girl's grandmother will care for the child during the no contact order. But it's a complicated situation.
I know you've had the child since June, right? Yes. And is it your mother, the grandmother? Yes. And is that somewhere where you're living?
Yes.
You live at that house?
Yes, and I also take care of my stepfather. He lives there too.
The judge will allow Bickett to keep working at the house caring for her stepfather, but she cannot be alone with her daughter.
If the child has questions, then you have somebody else talk with the child. But you can't say things like, don't say anything or mom's going to go to jail. Do you understand? You may never take the child to school, pick up the child by yourself, have any time where there's not another adult.
Melissa Etheridge is the grandmother. She has a tattoo of Javarius on her arm. The family believes the level 1 felony charge against Kiera is too harsh.
So you mean to tell me these people feel that they're being too harsh on her? Like, that situation right there, that's not being too harsh. That's that's letting you know, like, you messed up. You knew better. You messed up. You got kids in the car. What you doing? You're being irresponsible. You're not making any sense. Like, that is not that. Like, I feel like that right there is one count, one felony count. That's not enough. Because she needs to learn, bro. She needs to learn. How many times have these situations taken place in the past? If it's happened too many times for people to continuously move irresponsibly with such an object as a gun. Like, by now, people should get it. Okay, I'm getting this thing. Let me be responsible.
for an accident. Bickett told the
Too
judge
harsh.
she still plans to hire her own attorney and is meeting with one soon. Bickett is due back in court September 22nd when the judge will revisit the terms of the no contact order. At the Marion County Community Justice Campus, Rich Nye, 13 News.
At the next hearing, the judge will consider testimony or a report from the Department of Child Services on whether the no contact order should remain in place until the case is concluded. Bickett faces a 20 to 40-year sentence if convicted.
They're saying she's facing, at least if she's convicted, she faces 20 to 40 years. I mean, hey, she messed up. You got a firearm in your possession. You got to be super responsible. You got to be real safe with this stuff. These tools are dangerous, especially when you have children in your presence. They're dangerous. And then on top of that, not only was the gun supposed to be in the glove compartment, it was in her purse, and her purse wasn't even zipped all the way. And you know how children are. They're so curious. They're gonna touch everything, no matter where it is, what it is, because they don't know what certain objects are or whatnot. I'm pretty sure the child, he just seen his mom's purse, and he probably usually goes in her purse because he's a kid. He's like 2 years old, so he's gonna be curious and go into her purse, and then he sees an object that he's never seen before. Kids are gonna be kids. They're gonna play with the object. And unfortunately, that object was something that was deadly that could, and they got the kid up out of there. So, hey, man, they give her 20 to 40 years. Hey, listen, that's deserved because you knew better. You went to class for this. They told you about these things. You don't tell me that you went to the class and earned the gun permit and then you just forgot, oh, I'm supposed to be responsible with this. And you have children with you. You're neglecting the children, not paying attention to your surroundings, not taking that firearm and putting it in the glove compartment. Hey, man, she deserves what she gets. Y'all could be mad at me if you want to. She deserves it. Because you can't be moving out here goofy with such objects as that. You can't do that. Because at the end of the day, once everything is said and done, you can't bring that kid back. You could be crying all you want, snotty nose all you want. That kid will not be coming back, all because of a decision that you failed to make. It's unfortunate, man. Anyway, man, y'all go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get back at y'all next time. I'm out.